Hi everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. Today for lunch I'm going to make some keto sloppy joes. I made Joe some to take up hunting with him for next week, or for this weekend, and I said I'm going to try and make some keto ones. So I'm going to do a double batch so I can freeze some. I'm going to do 2 pounds of ground meat. So let's get started with this. This would probably be good with deer meat too. I'm going to start by putting about a tablespoon of olive oil and let that heat up to medium. Okay, I'm going to get this browned up. While that's browning, I'm going to chop a bell pepper, and this would be a medium onion. Now for the onions. Ooh, this has got my eyes watering. Alright, this is nice and brown. I'm just going to strain this and put it in a bowl and set to the side. And I know people have asked where I've got this this little ground meat shovel, and I have no idea. I got it at Goodwill or at some thrift store. I'm going to get all this ready. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And I just had this can already open from what I was using for Joe. We're going to do 1 1/3 cup of sugar-free ketchup. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of swerve, of the brown sugar swerve. Without moving the camera, I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I'm going to add back my ground meat. I'm also going to add in the mixture that I put in my bowl. I'm going to go ahead and put 2/3 cup water in here, I believe. this all mixed up. Then I've got salt, pepper, one and a half Creole seasoning, one and a half chili seasoning. Mix this up. I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of mustard, yellow mustard. This looks so good. We're going to let this cook down a little bit and then get ready to eat lunch. Alright, y'all, I'm going to take a bite. You get these keto buns from Walmart. Aldi used to have awesome keto buns, but they quit selling them. This is awesome, y'all. If you try this, let me know what you think. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next video.